My name is Don McAdable, Senior Industrial Designer at Meridian Kiosk, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about my job and what I do here every day. So I'm going to start with my career pathway in education. So in middle school, I was in the math and science magnet program, so I was really interested in becoming an engineer because of that. So in high school, I took Project Lead the Way courses, which included drafting, manufacturing processes, as well as computer-aided design, which I'll show you guys later. I went to Purdue University for mechanical engineering for the first 2 years, and after realizing I wanted to switch my major to industrial design, I did that for another 4 years and got a co-op internship at an automotive safety company where I worked for 2 years. So along with working in things like CAD and sketching and drafting, I have to work in Photoshop, graphic design, as well as layouts for videos and animations as well. So now I'm going to show you a little bit of the CAD and renderings that I do on a daily basis. So this software is called SolidWorks. It's a 3D modeling software that I work with and the engineers do as well, and it allows us to make changes and work collaboratively very easily. So this kiosk, as you can see here, is a little bit thick, and the customer wanted it to be about 2 inches. So I can go in and make the necessary changes on that part and render it for the customer and give them what they want. So we're going to go ahead and open that individual part and then go ahead and make the change to the initial dimension. So as you can see here, it says 4 inches. I'm going to go ahead and turn that to 2 inches. Update the kiosk and see what happens. As you can see, the changes have been made here. And so once I'm satisfied with the look of the kiosk, I go ahead and save it and launch KeyShop, which is our 3D rendering software. So as you can see here, KeyShop allows me to change the material colors as I need. We can go ahead and add different textures as well as opacity openings to make it look like it's a grid. And in some cases, we can actually animate the model. So let me show you how that works. Rotation. So you have to pick the right axis or else it does some funky stuff. So after I put it on KeyShop and I'm happy with the look, I can go ahead and render it. So after I render the kiosk, I usually go on softwares like Photoshop or InDesign and Illustrator to edit. Now that you know a little bit about what I do on a daily basis, I'm going to talk to you about career opportunities and job growth, as well as what industrial designers can do in other industries. I'm sure you guys have probably heard of Apple and Johnny Ive. He's one of the most famous industrial designers in the world. He creates phones, iPhones, and things of such. They're industrial designers in the automotive field, working on car designs. And if there's a company that pretty much makes any product, they will need an industrial designer. So some of the courses I would advise someone to take in high school would be drafting, any pre-engineering courses, and once you get into college, maybe some advanced art classes, as well as looking to find out if there's an industrial design major. So along with actually just designing and creating products, some industrial designers have actually worked in the movie industry, making prototypes and mock-ups for some sci-fi movies. So that could be something that you're interested in, and industrial design could definitely help you break into that career as well. For myself, I enjoy it because it allows me to be very creative on a daily basis and impact the company I work with in a great way. So thank you.